Nick Jonas and Demi Lovato have taken a stand, and their fans in North Carolina might have to suffer. The musicians have canceled the leg of their Future Now tour through the Tar Heel State to protest against North Carolina's discriminatory HB2 law, calling it extremely disappointing, and saying that it takes away some of the LGBT community's most basic rights and protections. For those of you who don't know, the most controversial part of the recent bill requires individuals to use restrooms corresponding to the gender listed on their birth certificates, not to the gender they identify with. The cancellation of Nick and Demi's tour was announced on the 23-year-old's Instagram page with a hashtag #RepealHB2. He wrote that he knows the cancellation is disappointing to the fans, but he and Demi trust that they will stand united with them against this hateful law.